Want to know how to manage your stories in Google One? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. But first things first, just simply open up your Google One application on your phone and you should be on this interface right here. So you need to be on your phone in order to manage your stories mostly. So in order to manage, you can just simply check your stories first. On the bottom, you should be seeing stories. On the middle, just simple like that, and you can see your analysis of the stories that you have used. So you can see all of your stories from Google Drive, Gmail, Photos, and WhatsApp. So in order to manage it, you can just simply clean up space right here. And now once you're under clean up space, here you can see your stories manager popping up where you manage your stories simply. So you can just simply scroll down and see 4 different things that are large files, email with large attachments, files in bins, and emails in bins. So you can just simply scroll down and also choose clean up by service and clean up all the items and clean up by your device storage directly as well. So this is how you manage it. You can just simply select any one of these, select and delete. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.